Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I'm going to describe about CGFMU Credit Guarantee Fund for Micro Units Empowering MSME Clusters with Bank of India. Introduction. Micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs are widely recognized as the backbone of India's economy. They generate employment, encourage entrepreneurship, strengthen local industries and contribute significantly to economic growth. To support the financial needs of businesses operating within industrial and business clusters, Bank of India offers financial assistance under the CGFMU guarantee scheme of the Credit Guarantee Fund for Micro Units. This scheme is specially designed to provide timely and need-based financial support to eligible MSME units engaged in common business activities within identified geographical clusters, enabling them to expand operations, improve productivity, and contribute to sustainable economic development. The primary objective of the CGFMU scheme is to create cluster-based financing solutions for a group of business operating in a common line of activity within a defined geographical area. Instead of evaluating businesses in isolation, the scheme recognizes the strength of industrial clusters where enterprises benefit from common infrastructure, skilled manpower, supplier networks, and market linkages. By supporting such clusters, Bank of India aims to promote inclusive growth, improve access to institutional credit, and enhance competitiveness of MSMEs. Under this scheme, Bank of India provides comprehensive credit facilities to meet both fund-based and non-fund-based financial requirements of eligible business units. The available fund-based facilities include working capital finance to meet day-to-day operational expenses and term loans for purchasing machinery, expanding production capacity, and or creating business assets. In addition, the scheme also supports non-fund-based requirements through bank guarantees and letters of credit, helping businesses execute contracts, procure raw materials, and participate confidently in commercial transactions. The amount of finance extended to each individual borrowing under the scheme is entirely need-based. Bank of India assesses the genuine business requirements of each eligible unit by evaluating its operational needs, working capital cycle, project viability, repayment capacity, and future growth prospects. This ensures that every borrower receives appropriate financial assistance aligned with the actual requirements of the business. An important feature of the scheme is the identification of suitable industrial or business clusters. Clusters are selected based on their business potential and the concentration of similar enterprises operating in a specific geographical region. Normally, a minimum of 30 active business units should be functioning within the identified cluster. The geographical coverage of a cluster may generally extend within a radius of approximately 200 to 250 kilometers. All participating units should possess proper backward and forward integration, ensuring efficient linkages among suppliers, manufacturers, service providers, distributors, and customers. Preference is also given to clusters identified by organizations such as the United Nations Industrial Development Organization (UNIDO) and the Ministry of MSME Government of India, as these clusters demonstrate established industrial potential and organized business ecosystems. To become eligible for financial assistance under the CGFMU individual borrowers must satisfy certain eligibility conditions. Business entities should be engaged in manufacturing or service activities and must qualify as MSMEs under the provisions of MSME. Wherever applicable, the business should possess a valid goods and services tax (GST) registration to comply with such statutory requirements. These conditions help ensure that financial assistance reaches genuine and compliant business enterprises. Bank of India also follows clearly defined security norms under the scheme. For eligible accounts covered under the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises (CGTMSE), guarantee coverage should also be obtained in all eligible loan accounts. Borrowers are also encouraged to opt for the hybrid security product offered by CGTMSE wherever applicable, as it provides additional flexibility while facilitating access to credit. For accounts that are not covered under CGTMSE, the bank applies standard financial security parameters. In the case of working capital facilities, the borrower should normally maintain a minimum current collateral ratio of 0.65 for term loans or composite loans. The minimum fixed asset coverage ratio (FACR) should generally be 1. These financial benchmarks help maintain prudent credit discipline while ensuring adequate security for the lending institution. The CGFMU scheme reflects Bank of India's commitment to supporting MSMEs by facilitating easier access to finance, encouraging entrepreneurship, promoting industrial clusters, and strengthening local economies. By combining need-based lending, structured cluster development, and credit guarantee support, the scheme enables businesses to grow with confidence while contributing to employment generation and regional economic progress. For entrepreneurs and business owners seeking additional information regarding the CGFMU scheme or other MSME financing solutions offered by Bank of India, simply send SME via SMS to 76690212290 or give a missed call to 80109683334. The bank representatives will assist you with further information regarding eligibility documentation and available financial solutions. Conclusion: the CGFMU scheme is an excellent financing initiative for MSMEs operating within organized business clusters. By providing working capital term loans, bank guarantees, and letters of credits backed by appropriate guarantee mechanisms, Bank of India continues to support the growth and modernization of India's micro and small enterprises. Entrepreneurs operating in eligible clusters are encouraged to explore this opportunity and leverage institutional finance to expand their businesses, improve operational efficiency, and contribute to India's journey towards inclusive and sustainable economic development. Disclaimer: this information is intended solely for educational and general awareness purposes based on the CGFMU scheme's features shared by Bank of India. Loan approval, eligibility, security requirements, documentation, guarantee coverage, interest rates, and other applicable terms and conditions shall be governed by the bank's prevailing policies and regulatory guidelines, which may change from time to time. Applicants are advised to visit their nearest Bank of India branch and or consult bank officials for the latest scheme details before making any financial decision. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.